Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to change your Instagram account profile in 2026. Stay with me until the end of the video. Let's get started with the tutorial. Step 1, open Instagram app. After click Instagram, click your profile. After your profile, click edit profile. After click your edit profile, click edit picture or avatar. Click picture choose your from library, import from Facebook, take a photo. Uh, for example, choose from library, select your photo. Okay, I select the picture and click done. Now very easy. My profile is changed. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe Nice Tech channel. Good luck.